Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove search bar at top of the screen in Windows 10, 8, and 7. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs. Click Uninstall a program. Select Web Discover Browser. Click Uninstall. Click Yes to continue. Click Yes to continue. Search bar removed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.